Hello! Today I'm going to share with you how to create an album from start to finish. When you first open the album creation page, the system will automatically offer you an album design based on your favorite images and color matching. This can be a great starting point from which you can adjust your album. If you want, you can always start from scratch with empty pages and design as you go. First, you can select your album size and cover option. To edit a page, hover your mouse over the spread and click the magnifying glass. This is your cover page, and here you can add text and change the design and cover colors. The first page will act as your title page, so we suggest you choose an image that sets the stage for the story of your album. You can then click on the next or previous arrow buttons to move through the pages, or click Done to go back to the main editing screen. Let's go ahead and edit another page. At the top of the Page Design module, you can choose from many layout options. Click these arrows to navigate through them individually, or click this drop-down icon to scroll through all the options. You can also choose to remove an image block to change the layout. Once you've chosen the layout you prefer, you can scroll through your gallery images to move them onto the page. Click on the different scene names to search specific scenes, or you can search through your collections. Click on an image to select it and it will automatically be placed in the album. Or you can click and drag the image into whatever photo block you like. If you've selected an image and there is not an image block to place it in, you can drag it to the Add to Page icon on the upper left-hand corner of the page to adjust the layout to make room for the new image. You can also hover your mouse over an image and click on the X button to remove it, or the Crop button to crop the image to your liking. Click Done when complete. If you hover your mouse over a page from the main album editor, you can also click on the trash can icon to delete it, or the plus icon to add a page before or after the current page. You can also click here and drag and change the layout's order. A nice way to see your images through the album is by clicking this Arrange Photos button. Here you can quickly sort the images between pages. For the last page, choose a layout to round out the story of your album. Once you've finished your album design, you can click this Save for Later link and save it to your client account, or you can click the Add to Cart icon. When you add to your cart, the system will give you a preview of your album where you can review and approve each of the pages. The album will then be added to your cart, and you're ready to continue shopping or check out.